I'm Ray Ripple, and today we're talking about the new, Powermax33 XP. Let's open up the box, see what's in it. I've been using Hypertherm products in my shop since 2019, and I'm about to show you why you should get one of these. And you only have to buy it once. Let's open the box, see what's inside. Comes with a nice strap, because you know this thing is really easy to carry. It's only 21 pounds. This is the machine. This thing is powerful. I love the way it cuts. So if you're on a different budget, this machine isn't gonna let you down. Basically has every single capability that you would need moving forward in your business. Comes with an instruction manual, of course. Now, cool thing about this thing is it also comes with, in the box, 2 adapters for whatever power setup you might have in your shop. 120 or 240. I prefer 240 because my shop's already set up that way, but if you don't have that kind of power capacity in your shop, this right here is going to be a game changer for you because it allows you to have plasma in your working space without having to upgrade your power, which is expensive. So it pretty much comes ready to set up just like this. The torch already comes with the consumables already on it. Let's talk about the stack that's within this torch. This is your consumable stack. This right here is your electrode. This is a nozzle. And this right here is to help protect your nozzle. And you know, this is a drag cutting cartridge tip. And this machine also comes with fine cut consumables, which is really awesome. That's for you to get into the finer detail stuff. But once you start playing with the machine, you'll start playing with that just separately. After you do your consumable stack, every single time that you take this off or put it back on, your machine is gonna need to be reset, which is easy. Just turning the machine off and then turning it back on, and that resets your torch to be able to use again. And on consumable life, just know that well past the life capabilities of these things, they last well longer than that. They can't say that, but I can. Let's put this thing together and I'll show you why you can't live without one. Number one, we want to pick our power source, and so you're going to use the adapter to attach to your plug. Plug it in. All right, let's connect the air. After we move the machine out of the way, of course, we want to turn the power on and we want to make sure our torch works, and it does. You want to hook up your ground as well. I just hook mine directly to the table. Now, I have some scrap here that I've been practicing on. This is thin, but it's not super thin. This is 14 gauge. Okay, let's test it out. I love this machine. As you can see, it cuts through this stuff like butter. I've already tested it on a thicker piece, but I want to show you guys what this thing can do. As you can see, it doesn't have any problems even with thicker stuff. So this thing will be with you through thick and through thin. I forgot how to blink. Now, if you're still not convinced to go get yourself a Powermax33 XP, this thing has a 6-year warranty. So get your butt to the store and get you one.